5 whole frog. 1 2 3 4 5. Opposite color. 1 2 3 4 5. It is again frog. Round frog. Round. 1 color pa din mo. Ali 2 frog. 3. It is opposite frog. Opposite frog. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. The point here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is 1 2. I'm going to solve 3 4 5. After that, this side same leg we go. 1 2 3 4 5. Opposite pivot here. 1 pivot here. 1 2 3 4